There's plenty to learn in this world. There's never enough time to do it, and anything that we can do to help people is a good thing.
I always say, had I not got the qualifications, then I would have never had the opportunities. I would have not even got to an interview, and that's a fact.
Every year, thousands of students from all walks of life enrol at the Open University, each one deciding to write their own story. Welcome to the Open Diaries.
I took the easy route. I left school. I went to university. Most of my students are holding down day jobs, young families. They have other difficulties in their lives, other challenges. I'm a tutor at the Open University, but I'm a chartered electrical engineer by background and also a partner in a business. One group of people I think really benefit from the Open University are those who have perhaps had a bad experience of education in the past.
I went into local authority care at the age of 9, so it was quite upsetting really, getting moved totally out of the area, not seeing my sisters. That next couple of years were just focusing on trying to get back to see my family. My priorities really were survival, and that's why education were absolutely a minimal priority in my life. I never ever looked up and thought, what do I want to do? I never even thought that I would have a career. I ended up working just packing meat into meat trays. Whenever anything happened on the production line, I always had to call an engineer. One of the engineers came over and he fixed, this machine in about 2 seconds. And I just had a light bulb moment. That is what inspired me to actually do a degree. I wanted to get a career.
There's no prerequisite, there's no requirement, it's completely open. Absolutely anyone can be an Open University student.
I gave the Open University a call and I've never looked back.
As a student, you're provided with a study planner and all the materials that you need.
I registered and within a couple of weeks I got my course material.
There's also tutorial sessions that people would normally expect at universities, but run in a virtual environment. And all these sessions are recorded now as well, which means if you miss something, you can always go back.
On the back of that, there's tutor group forums that are set up at key dates.
Students are encouraged to collaborate with each other through organised online activities.
All the students would explain to each other what we didn't understand, and that built up an amazing relationship with everybody on the course, and I'm still in contact now with all the students that were involved in throughout those qualifications. The majority of my courses now online. When I've been abroad with work, I've studied on planes, so it's quite a flexible institution.
What makes the Open University much more unique is that the experience is not delivering just to the masses, it's about providing that one-to-one support as well.
Doug's my tutor at the minute, and he's really helpful. We tend to speak every week.
Through email, through text, through telephone, and it feels a very personal experience. I once had a student who called me and said, I'm really sorry for contacting you. I've been trying hard not to because I don't want to bother you. And I said to him, well, in that case, you've completely missed the point of what tutor support is. I'm here to be bothered.
You've got a tutor that's dedicated to you.
As a chartered engineer, I quite often get asked about routes as to how they become chartered and how they can take particular career paths.
The practical experience and expertise that they bring to that classroom is second to none.
I admire anyone going through their normal lives, through work, through family life, through all the difficulties that anyone has and still manages to study.
It's difficult, I'm a full-time working mum. I love running, and that is that me time. You fit your studies around your life. I tend to study on lunch times when I put the kids to bed on a night, and then I'll put a couple of hours in over the weekend as well. So that flexibility was phenomenal.
People who have then given up on the education system in the past are now coming through the other end with degrees, master's degrees. When you actually speak to employers, they will tell you that these are different people. They have a higher degree of dedication. It's admirable, I think.
When I look back 21 years, I never ever thought that I'd achieve a chartered engineer. Bachelor's degree in engineering, a master's in engineering. I achieved an MBA, an MSc in technology management, and I also achieved an MSc in engineering.
She's the youngest fellow of the Institution of Engineering Technology. To be able to achieve that is something quite astounding.
Now I'm the Director of Energy in the power sector in one of the UK's largest engineering companies. It's very challenging, but I absolutely love it. What I want to achieve next is the PhD in business administration. It's become a way of life for me as learning.
She has embraced learning to improve herself as an individual. She's seen now as an ambassador for learning for women in engineering due to her dedication.
It doesn't matter what your background is, as long as you want to learn, you'll achieve anything with the Open University.
As Faye and Doug have shown, whatever your reason for study, anything is within reach. Take a peek at the Open University website and see our range of courses. In the meantime, check out more inspiring Open Diaries on our social channels.